Hey folks, welcome back to Crazy Gamer Models. How we doing today? We are doing a mailbag on this one because this stuff came in, and I just wanted to show it off. Next Sunday, will be a Panther update because the schedule kicks in tomorrow. Tomorrow will be an update and a look at what's coming up in the week, and then we'll go from the skin. I'll talk about the schedule then. So basically, I got some burrs to fit in my tool here. Hopefully. Nope, they're not going to fit. They claim they would. That's what happens. They claim 2.5 millimeter, but they're not. That's what happens. I could use them in my Dremel. Let's check these. Nope. They fit the other arm. Okay, they do fit in this one, so I can use them in this one. But it's a snug fit. It is a snug fit for sure. They claim 2.5 millimeter when you purchase them, but and this was just a bulk buy of random ones on Amazon. I'll try to start putting links in the description, but it's hard to find them again because I searched for a while. Oh, and then I got, you can see the number of this one. This is a burr set. It's a 20-piece burr set. Like dental style burrs. I haven't opened it yet. It just came in. Oh, they're all falling out. So, a bunch of different little burrs for carving out different things. 24 of them. They look pretty good. Got some concaved, convex ones in there. Different little. You know what I think? Yeah, that was open or closed. Yeah, there we go. Now that won't come out, but yeah, I could do some damage with these burrs. So if they still working on learning that tool. So this is basically 24 set of burrs. I'm not sure where it came from. It came from China. Listen, guys, a lot of the stuff I can't link because the links aren't there anymore. Like for my polisher unit here, I've searched and searched and searched. I can't find that link anymore. So what I'm gonna do is on the Facebook group, I'm going to post a link to different ones that are on Amazon. But the ones I found on eBay, I mean, they're different sellers and they're different links, and they're not that brand. So I don't know if I got gypped or not, or it's just it was ordered months ago. It takes a long time to get here. So here's what I got. I got some Alliance Model Works stuff. I got some. Can't really see that. It's World War II camouflage spraying stencils, solid disc, and models. Stug 4, Hominor, and Heltzer. So let's see what we got here. I'm very happy about this order because it has one of my favorite things in it. Alright, so basically we got some patterns here. We want to do some spraying. So 3 different sheets here. An A sheet, a B sheet, and a C sheet. So there's some stuff for spraying. They feel like they're that nickel steel probably. It's hard to tell. It comes with a little guide on how to use it. Get the different patterns. So, all right. So that's from Alliance Model Works. That's LW35080. Now here's my favorite thing from this order. Is 1/35 scales German World War II vehicle tool clamps ready cut, which means they are already cut out and there's no nibs to trim up. You can see these things are awesome. If you watched any of my review videos, you know I am a huge fan of metal tool clamps. I don't like molded plastic tool clamps. I'm not a professional modeler. I can't paint very well, but I think the plastic on a tool clamp is awful. So I ordered these. These have been out of stock for a while, and I ordered these. These are tiny little tool clamps that you fold up just like so, and they actually end up being workable. There's a video on YouTube, Panzermeister65, I believe. He actually has a video building these, which I will be watching again. And ever since I saw him build these, I wanted them. And what's nice about these is there's no frets. They're not connected to any fret. They're stuck with plastic on the bottom. So you just cut away the piece you need, the plastic part, and then the piece comes out and you peel off the plastic and then you can bend it up. When I put tools on one of my models, I'll be demonstrating the process. And of course, I got two of those and then I got some bolt heads. The tool clamps are LW35046. And then this is LW35025. These are bolt heads, hexagonal. And it's basically little bolts, some wing nuts, and things like that. I know it's hard to see with the metal and the shiny, but it's basically little bolts and wing nuts. The wing nuts are awesome. I'm telling you. And there's no fret, guys. There's just they're ready cut. So you just have to pop them off. You don't have to cut them or sand them or anything like that. So Alliance Model Works, I'm telling you. And this is another one that is cool, that the molded plastic parts look bad. This is the 1/35th German World War II clasps and buckles for toolboxes and canvas tarps, ready cut. And now let's see if you can see some of this. This is LW35047. And you can see the little tie-down buckles, hopefully. And there's little locks. The locks are three-piece to make them stand out. And then you have locks with chains on it for tool bins. Just all kinds of clasp and all kinds of different doodads for locking stuff down. It's already cut, so there's no fret connections on this either. They're you just pop them out, and I'm excited about these too. And it gives you a little guide of how to use stuff like that. You got your two-part or your buckles there, and then you get a small clasp. You can do your large toolbox buckle, and then you got your lock type 1 and lock type 2. And as you can see, it's a three-piece lock to give it the size it needs to be more realistic. And then I saw this and I was like, wow, this seems like it would be interesting. This is 1/35th scale World War II vehicle mask set. So, and there was no description. And it just says, tired of hand painting road wheels, sick of using art templates that circles just don't fit, well, worry no more. Piece of cake now with the AM Works wheel mask set. So It has all the different, it does Tamiya, Dragon, Great Wall Hobby, SWS Series, Takasa Panzer II, Ops L, Bronco. So what it did in the description um, didn't list the vehicles that it did in the description. But here's basically they're marked. It says all the different. So here's a Dragon Panther right here, outer road wheel, inner road wheel. Let's see if it can fit a road wheel for my Panther here. So, yep, it'll fit my Panther. So that's the outer road wheel. The inner road wheel. Yeah, it fits. So they will work on TACOM Panther kits. Because I don't know about the steel wheel Panthers. Because I don't have that. I don't have a sprue of those out right now. These are just for my Panther A. But there you go, wheel mask. I've been looking for some wheel mask, and I didn't know if these would work because it didn't give you a description of the vehicles in the ordering guide. So this is LW35024. It's your World War II 135th scale wheel mask. And hey, it might even have a size in there that masks some aircraft wheels. Who knows? Okay, and then we have a Panther G spray pattern here for the Panther Gs. And you all know I'm doing that Panther G with the IR and anti-aircraft air defense armor. So this is LW35075. It's 135th World War II German camouflage spraying stencil hollow disc type 1 Panther off G. So it has this regiment, the 213 and the 725th. You got 1 and 2. And then you have the 33 9th Panzer Division. So, and then you have just some ambush hollow disc. And it says 4, doesn't have a name where that's from. But, you know, you could wrap this around the turret, and this could be your loader's hatch, and you could just spray with a cool thing. So I figured, I see people on the Facebook group using stencils all the time. I figured I figured I'd give it a shot. But I guess you just go like that. Oh, that's for the front plate to cover the machine gun so it doesn't get sprayed. Or get sprayed, I should say. And last but not least, it's a nut and washer in various sizes. Suits 132, 135th, and 148. And it is hard to open. It is LW35027. And as you can see, there are what appears to be some kind of round nut and washer, and then there's a bunch of washers with holes in the middle of them. So I don't know how good that is for somebody. These are the ready cut kind where there's no frets holding them onto the sheet. So you just peel off the top and then pop them off the green back there. So I thought it was nice. It was, looks cool. LW35027. Can always use detail on something. That's going to do it for this quick little mailbag video. 15 minutes, a little longer than I anticipated. Well, that's going out Sunday, the 8th. Tomorrow, the 9th, we'll start the scheduling for the new schedules. So stay tuned for tomorrow's channel update and week in review and what's going on. For Crazy Gamer Models, I'm the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.